Hello dear friends, welcome to Take and Tech. In this video, I will teach you how to view Instagram account devices. Please watch the video until the end and subscribe to the channel. Okay, step 1. Open Instagram and click your profile, click the menu and click account center. Okay, this is the account center. Okay, click password and security. Click password and security and click the security check uh, where you're logging. Okay, login. Or is it you see active devices, for example Samsung Galaxy Note 9 in active account in Instagram and later. Okay, like the video and subscribe the channel. Take on Tech.